Hello Buddy Kitty. In this video, I will teach you what are the things will be there in the dining room. So, what is dining room? Dining room is a room in which meals are eaten as in a home where furniture are used in a dining room. So, now let us list the things which are in the dining room. Crockery. Crockery. Cupboard. Cupboard. Kettle. Kettle. Towel. Towel. Washbasin. Wash basin. Poster. Napkins. Napkins. Tablemat. Table mat. Diningtable. Dining table. Fruit basket. Fruit basket.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.